In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move multiple reports on Salesforce. We'll walk through a simple process you can repeat for each report you want to relocate. So by the end, you'll be able to quickly organize your reports into the right folders. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce homepage, turn your attention to the navigation menu at the top of the screen. There, you should see an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports to open the Reports area. Inside the Reports section, you'll notice a left-hand panel. This side panel is where you can browse through different report folders or use filters and search to narrow down what you're looking for. Take a moment to find the specific report or reports that you want to move. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar, or select a folder from the left panel to help you locate them more quickly. Once you see a report you want to move, look at the far right side of that report's row. You'll see a small downward pointing arrow, which opens a menu of actions for that report. Click on that arrow to reveal the drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Move. As soon as you click Move, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up lets you choose the new folder where you want this report to live. In the pop-up, browse through the available folders or expand any folder groups if needed until you find the destination folder that makes the most sense for this report. When you've highlighted the folder you want, look towards the bottom right corner of the pop-up window and click the button labeled Select Folder. This confirms your choice and moves the report to the folder you selected. At this point, that report has been successfully moved. To move multiple reports, you'll simply repeat the exact same process for each additional report. Locate it in the list, click the downward arrow on the right, choose Move, pick the new folder in the pop-up, and then click Select Folder. Continue doing this until all of your reports are organized into the appropriate folders. Over time, this will make your Salesforce reports area much cleaner and easier to navigate, helping you and your team find the information you need more quickly.